my channel. If you're new, I'm Yvonne and I'm thrilled to be back. I've been away for a while. I don't know why really, but I'm back and I'm so thrilled to be back with my trip announcement. I am so excited to be able to say to you that you probably have guessed actually with the attire and the title of this video that it's a trip announcement to Orlando. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. We'll be going to all the Walt Disney World parks, Universal parks, SeaWorld, Legoland and so much more, and I'm so thrilled to be taking you all along with me. Obviously I'll be going with Glenn, my husband, and Archie, our son, and we're going to have amazing time. So we're going to be stopping in a villa. This is our preferred place to stay. We've been loads of times before and stopped in various on-site hotels, Disney resorts, which are amazing. We love them. There's no sort of cons about them, there's more pros, but we like the villas because it's got washing machine, tumble dryer, full kitchen, it's a home away from home, it's got its own pool, and it's just what we really like to do. We have tried other hotels as well off-site, and they're great. We've tried the budget hotels and moderate hotels, but yeah, we have decided that this is our preferred place to stay. So we're hiring a car for the time that we're there. We're going for 3 weeks. Well, we've made some dining plans, which I'm really looking forward to. We've got the Crystal Palace on my birthday, which is another really exciting thing. We're going to be in Magic Kingdom on my birthday with all the shenanigans. I'm going to get the ears, I've got the t-shirt already. I'm just going to be the biggest kid in the park that day, and I ain't gonna lie, I'm going to enjoy it. So got that on my birthday. We're also going to T-Rex that's in Disney Springs and the Beer Garden in Epcot. And what I'm really excited about, I'm excited about those obviously, but we're going to go to the Hard Rock Hotel at Universal, and we're going to have their brunch there. So the run up to it, I'm going to do some videos. I'm going to do the packing, what I've packed, see if that will help you if you're going and you may be wondering what to put in your case. On your hand luggage, I'm going to do that too. I'm going to do a travel vlog. We are going actually over to Heathrow on the Friday, stop at overnight in the hotel, and then we're flying, I think it's something like 9:20 on the Saturday morning. So I'm going to do all the travel and the plane and the getting there. I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you. I'm just totally excited about everything. I must say, my son Archie, who is 11, is excited, but he's nowhere near like me. I've got the board up there. Let me see if I can show you. The countdown board. I've had that up since day 299 or something. And if you follow me over on Instagram, I'll put it down here, which is Vonnie _vlogs. You'll know how just over the top I am. I can't wait to share it all with you. It's going to be such a thrill to be able to share this with you. I hope you like them. This is the start of the series, so thank you for watching, and I would love you to like and hit the subscribe button and the notifications, and then whenever I put up a video you'll know first. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you soon. Bye. It's me again. I was just editing the video and realised that I'd missed the part out about the flight. So I've jumped on without my ears to tell you, but I have got Walt Disney World on my top, so so I wanted to tell you about the flight. We are flying from Heathrow with Virgin Atlantic, our preferred airline. We love Virgin, so we're going with them. We're going, I've written it down because I don't want to forget, we're going economy delight. We got a really, really good deal. Downside of that, we're having to change at Atlanta in Georgia. We are 2 hours that we're in Atlanta, which is fine. We can look at the shops, we can grab a bite to eat. We are in another state. I will be a bit panicky because of connecting flights, but hey, we got a brilliant deal. We've got the economy delight. Now then, I've written down what you get. You can choose your seat. You've got seat selection at any time. You don't have to wait until, I think it's the night before with economy. You get premium check-in, so you don't have to wait for your line to be called out. It's just basically anybody with premium check-in. Premium priority boarding as well. That's going to be good. I'm really looking forward to that. Get extra leg room. We get a 34-inch seat pitch instead of a 31-inch for economy. We've earned more points because we've got this Virgin Club, and we also have one piece of luggage too for the hold, so that's really exciting. I'm so sorry that I've added that on afterwards, but better late than never. It's all excitement, blame the excitement. Also, I didn't say we aren't going late March, so there's a few weeks, but I'm sure I'll be coming on here boring you silly with my plans. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know it's a bit crazy, and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget, click that subscribe button. Thank you, bye.